Good morning. Today's thought of the day is integrity is doing good, knowing that nobody is going to know whether you have done it or not. I repeat my thought. Integrity is doing good, knowing that nobody is going to know whether you have done it or not. Thank you. Thank you, Yug. Painting is silent poetry, and poetry is painting that speaks. So, for poem, here is Hirt Modi. Good morning, everyone. My name is Hirt from class 7B. Today's poem title is Integrity. Integrity means to it is integrity is being true to yourself and having the courage when you are to admit when you are wrong. It is choosing to do what is right. It is choosing to do what is right. In the world that is full of deceit and deception. In the world that's full of deceit and deception. And stand firm in what you believe in. And stand firm what you believe in. Integrity is being humble. Integrity is being humble and treating others with respect. And treating others with respect. No matter who they are. No matter who they are. Integrity is something you are not born with. Integrity is something you are not born with. It is something that is learned over time. It is something that is learned over time. And embedded in your heart. And embedded in your heart. Integrity. Thank you. The newspaper is a greater treasure to the people than uncounted millions of gold. So for news here is Mahesh. Good morning to one and all present over here. I am Aishwarya Shukla from class 80 going to introduce today's news headlines. National news. First, a headmaster chief advisor said keep finances tight to keep loan rates low. Second, Supreme Court to hear request challenging electoral bond scheme in March. Third, Jammu-Srinagar highway shut for second day due to landslide. International news. First, UK retail giant Tesco to fire 2000 inflation hike costs. Second, 7 US cops suspended, 3 firefighters fired over fatal beating of black men. Sports news. MS Dhoni named most selfless player in IPL history by former stars. Second, the 2023 ODI World Cup will be hosted by India. Today's maximum temperature is 29 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Thank you, Maheshwari. Action speaks louder than words. So to understand more about integrity, here are some of our friends for skit.
Both of you get fresh and start studying for your tomorrow's exam.
Okay, Mom. Both of them kept their bag, took a book, and went to study. Arnav saw his mother's mobile and secretly took it along with his book. He started watching it and covered it with a book. After half an hour, he saw his mom coming and hid the mobile quickly. Scene 2. At school, 5 minutes before the exam starts. Before the exam starts, Arnav and the Ayush were talking.
Hey Siddharth, you learn anything?
Yes, I have learned little bit.
Okay, let's see it in exam today.
Okay. Invigilator
Teacher distributes the paper. An exam starts.
इसका आंसर क्या है?
Please write.
Thank you. थैंक यू। इसका आंसर क्या है?
Option B.
Hey, Maitri, you know this one answer?
No, I will not tell you. Do it by yourself.
Please.
No, I said now, do it by yourself. Ona continues to cheat in exams. And after some time, the exam ends and the teacher collects the paper.
अच्छे से तो किया।
All of them went back home.
Students, here are your results. Arnav, you got A plus and you are first in the class. Ridham, you got A and you are second in the class.
After that day, everyone went home. At home, he shows the result to his mom.
Hey mom, see I got A plus in exam. Mom, I got A.
Congratulations. Now go.
Hey Rhythm, see I got A plus and you got only A.
Even if you got A plus and I got A, but this is not your real marks. In fact, integrity is real education, without which degrees are only papers with marks.
Can change lives with right mix of jokes and challenges. So here is Kajal ma'am for Teacher's Talk.
Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. The students could not prepare as much as they should have because they did not get much practice also. Yesterday only we were informed, so it's okay. Fine, you did well. You have put your best efforts. I think the message should be conveyed. It is all about integrity. Now, integrity means what? When we are aligned means when whatever we think, whatever we speak, whatever we act, everything should be aligned. Like sometimes we have seen that people are speaking something else, they are acting something else, they are thinking something else, and this is what representing the best example of disintegrated personality. So all the famous personalities, leaders or the successful people, somewhere they are holding this value of integrity. And this kind of people are always respected, and the persons wherever they work, they also bring some values, there's also some add some quality to the organization place, and they always just give something more than the ordinary people. So integrity should be reflected in all phases of life. Even when we are student, we are taking
wrong means of passing in the exam. So it is not it is not a integrated personality. Even when we are academician or as professionals or as any businessman, and we are successful in like means of earning much, but we are taking illicit means, so it is not the integrated personality. I would like to remind you the famous story of Gandhiji. It is called as the sugar story of Gandhi, where when Gandhiji was in Sabarmati ashram, one woman with her maybe 10 years small child, she went along with the child to Gandhiji's ashram, and she just talked to Gandhiji that Bapu, please just advise the child not to eat sugar much, not to eat jaggery much, because he is suffering from the disease, like he has worms in his stomach. So if he will eat the jaggery much, every day he takes jaggery in his meal, then it would not be good for his health. So Bapu said, okay, you come after 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, when the woman and the child again they went back, so Gandhiji said, look child, it is not good for your health. So you should stop eating jaggery. And the child understood and he left eating jaggery from that day onwards. And the lady was surprised. And she was also surprised that only this much you had to say. So why didn't you say me that day when I came first? So Gandhiji disclosed the thing, why he didn't say it on the before a fortnight. He said that when you had come that day, till that day, even I was eating jaggery. I like jaggery too much, and in my each meal, I definitely include in my plate. So how could I say anyone not to do something which I'm doing? And even if I would have said, the child would not have believed me. He would not have followed my instruction. So till when it is not in your action, and even if you will preach someone, if you will tell someone to do so, they won't respect you, they won't take you seriously. And that is the difference between the politicians and the saints. Politicians just speak something else, and then when the situation changes, they also change their actions. They forget everything, their false promises and everything. But the saints, whatever they speak, whatever they preach, the same kind of life they are following. And that's the reason why we are going to listen them, we bow down them, we respect them. So we also have to take the exam of passing the integrity in our behavior right from the classroom. So we will be integrated by being truthful, being disciplined students, and taking all the fair means throughout our students' life. Thank you and have a nice day.
मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, जिंदगी का हर पहलू इम्तिहान होता है। डरने वालों को नहीं मिलता कुछ जिंदगी में, किंतु लड़ने वालों के कदमों में जहान होता है। इसी उत्साहपूर्वक सुविचार के साथ मैं श्री वशिष्ठ विद्यालय के प्रांगण में आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। आदरणीय एडवाइजर सर, प्रिंसिपल मैम, सभी निरीक्षक महोदय, शिक्षकगण एवं वशिष्ठ के प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, सूरत यूनाइटेड स्कूल एसोसिएशन सूरसा द्वारा जनवरी मंथ में कुछ कॉम्पिटिशन्स अरेंज किए गए थे। 20 और 21 जनवरी को सूरत आर्ट फेस्टिवल के नाम से यह कंपटीशन का आयोजन किया गया था और यह प्रतियोगिताएं 3 समूहों में विभाजित थी, अंडर 10, अंडर 14 और अंडर 19। श्री वशिष्ठ विद्यालय द्वारा म्यूजिक, डांस, ड्राइंग और मोनो एक्ट, इन 4 विधाओं में सभी कैटेगरी के बच्चों द्वारा भाग लिया गया था और मुझे बताते हुए बहुत ही आनंद हो रहा है कि इन सभी प्रतियोगिताओं में श्री वशिष्ठ विद्यालयों ने इन सभी प्रतियोगिताओं में से अंडर 14 और अंडर 10 में वशिष्ठ विद्यालय ने अपना परचम लहराया है। तो यहाँ उत्साहपूर्वक इन प्रतियोगी को आमंत्रित करते हुए सर्वप्रथम मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी वशिष्ठ विद्यालय के एडवाइजर सर डॉक्टर A.K. गौर सर को कि वो आए और छात्रों को सम्मानित करते हुए उनका उत्साहवर्धन करें। 20 जनवरी को आयोजित म्यूजिक कंपटीशन में अंडर 19 के ग्रुप में हमारे विद्यालय के जिन छात्राओं ने उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन किया उसमें थे प्राची, श्रीजा, राशि, स्नेहा, महक, रिया, सरस्वती और कोमल। अंडर 14 की छात्राएं थी ये। और इस प्रतियोगिता की विशेषता यह है कि हमारे विद्यालय द्वारा सिर्फ हारमोनियम और तबला और एक और इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक नहीं था, इसके द्वारा यह प्रतियोगिता में भाग लिया गया और एक उत्कृष्ट परिणाम 16 स्कूलों के बीच हमारे विद्यालय में फर्स्ट प्राइज हासिल किया है। कृपया जोरदार तालियों द्वारा उत्साहवर्धन कीजिए छात्रों का। और एक अच्छे मार्गदर्शक के बिना यह संभव ही नहीं है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी विद्यालय के म्यूजिक सर जसवंत सर, ब्रिजेश सर और इनका साथ दे रही थी 9th H की वैष्णवी आचार्य। सर प्लीज आइए और फर्स्ट प्राइज का बच्चों के साथ में ग्रहण कीजिए। जसवंत सर, ब्रिजेश सर। सभी स्कूलों के द्वारा विभिन्न प्रकार के इंस्ट्रूमेंट का उपयोग किया गया, लेकिन हमारे विद्यालय द्वारा सिर्फ हारमोनियम तबले द्वारा इतना अच्छा माहौल उत्पन्न किया गया कि फर्स्ट प्राइज से हमें किसी ने पीछे नहीं रख सका। ये इनके लिए बहुत सम्मानपूर्वक था। दूसरे दिन डांस और साथ में ड्राइंग का भी कंपटीशन था। और डांस के लिए अंडर 14 की गर्ल्स में डेजी, चाहत, पूर्वा, हनी, खुशालीबा, विश्वा, हीर, प्रिया और दिया अंडर 14 स्टूडेंट्स। डांस की भी विविध विधाएं वहाँ पर देखने को मिली और सबसे अच्छा प्रदर्शन श्री वशिष्ठ विद्यालय का डांस में रहा और डांस में अंडर 14 फर्स्ट प्राइज श्री वशिष्ठ विद्यालय। कंपटीशन में वहाँ 17 स्कूल थे और 17 स्कूलों में श्री वशिष्ठ विद्यालय ने फिर से अपना परचम दूसरे दिन पे लहराया। तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए। और डांस के लिए इन्हें प्रिपेयर करा था हर्षल सर, प्रकाश सर और श्रीकांत सर ने। यह प्रतियोगिता थी सामूहिक किंतु ड्राइंग कंपटीशन में भी कई स्कूलों में पार्टिसिपेट किया था। वहां अंडर 14 जयश्री स्वामी अंडर 14 थर्ड रैंक लेकर श्री वशिष्ठ विद्यालय का परचम लहराया है जयश्री स्वामी ने। और इसे जनक सर और चेतन सर से आग्रह करूंगी कि आइए और जनक सर और चेतन सर इनके मार्गदर्शन में चाहत ने अंडर 14 ने थर्ड रैंक हासिल किया है। जोरदार तालियों द्वारा अभिवादन कीजिए। अंडर 10 में भी हमारे विद्यालयों ने म्यूजिक और डांस में पार्टिसिपेट किया था और वहाँ भी उन्होंने फर्स्ट और सेकेंड प्राइज हासिल किया है। कृपया उन छोटे विद्यार्थियों का भी तालियों द्वारा स्वागत कीजिए। धन्यवाद।
Come up with such good recognition, when they come up with such good the results, we always feel proud on our students. But the thing which I am going to share with you, which has disturbed me, so I like to share with you. Yesterday I got a phone from a parent and he was complaining that my child is learning bad words. And these bad words the child is learning in the bus. When the children they are in the bus, they are using bad words, and my child is learning bad words. He is using it in the home. Whenever he get angry, he use with his friends. So I was very disturbed yesterday that why the students of Vasisth Vidyalaya are using bad words. What we gain after using bad words? Is it that we impress each other? Is it that we want to show that we have more muscle power, we are more energetic? Ultimately, when we say that why we come to school, a student come to school to become a good human being. We say the child is the father of man, what William Wordsworth has said. Its meaning is that child is the father of man, that in a man, whatever qualities are there, एक इंसान के अंदर जो भी आप क्वालिटीज देखते हैं वो सारी क्वालिटीज उसकी स्टूडेंट एज में आती हैं. Whatever the man is, that all values imbibe in him or in her in the child age. So basically, when you are in a school, whatever you are learning, but the main purpose that you have to be a good human being, and for that purpose, you have to use the words which is respected, which is not objectionable. And if you are hearing some bad word, then it is your duty to correct him or her. We always dream a school. अभी यहाँ ये skit में आपने देखा when child was trying to copy. We always dream a school के जहाँ हम एग्जाम में पेपर दें बच्चों को, कॉपी दें, and there should not be any teacher. I want that type of school. That when exam is going on, why we require invigilators? Why can't you have self-discipline that when the paper is given to you, neither you will copy, neither you will allow any other to copy. In the skit, the one child was saying, I will not tell you the answer. He or she is the true student. Why should we help for the wrong thing? So this is very, very unfortunate situation in the school that if somebody is using bad word, sometimes you keep on blaming कि नहीं वो गुजराती मीडियम वाले बैड वर्ड यूज करते हैं, इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले बहुत अच्छे हैं. This type of blaming we are not interested. If somebody is using bad word, it is your duty that you should stop. You should correct him or her. It is not only that you are a passive listener. No, you should be a good listener. And for listening good things, you should listen only the good things. Last year, I was coming, we went with a family to Ranthambore, and we were returning back by the Agast Kranti Rajdhani Express. We boarded into the train, and in that train, one passenger, he was talking very loudly on phone. And sometimes he was using very different language also. So somebody corrected him कि भाई आप जरा धीरे बोलिए और इस तरह की भाषा यहाँ सब फैमिली वाले लोग हैं कोच के अंदर, आप ऐसी भाषा यूज नहीं कीजिए. तो नो मैं क्या गलत कह रहा हूँ. He started arguing, and then again he got a call from his family. Then he was talking in some very different language. Then he got a call from his friend, and he was talking again very loudly. Then another passenger told him that you go out and talk as loud as you want. But in the cabin you cannot talk loudly. Everybody is talking on phone, but you should talk silently, should not disturb others. That fellow was looking some type of a dada type of person, and he was started arguing. So ultimately what happened that one passenger complained to the railway, and when the train reaches to the Baroda around 11:30, he was supposed to go to Vapi. So when the train reaches around 11:30 to Baroda, it was 11:30 or 12 o'clock midnight, some 8 or 10 police wala came. And all that 8 or 10 police wala searching that who is 61, who is sitting, who is using loud, who is speaking bad word, and who is speaking so loudly. So then they ask him to stand up. Then he says कि नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि तुमने यहाँ कोच में झगड़ा किया है और तुम्हारी कंप्लेंट आई है कि नहीं तुमको यहाँ उतरना पड़ेगा. They forcefully that police wala took his luggage and made him to get down at Baroda railway station. बाद में उसका क्या हुआ होगा that we don't know, but I am sure कि in the whole night he would have a very difficult time. उसका FIR हुआ होगा and next day वो कब वहाँ वापी गया होगा that we don't know. Now let us learn from this incident. You see, that person who was speaking loudly, he was using different words. It was not his intention to disturb anybody. It was not intention to disturb anybody, but he was having a habit to speak this way. And that habit which has come in him, it has come in long years, you see. It has come, might be in the school, might be where somewhere he has learned this habit. And now he cannot give up that habit. And to prove that whatever he is saying it is correct, he will use muscle power, he will speak loudly, he will forcefully, he will try to dominate. So what I am trying to tell you children, in the life, we have learned a value base today. Mrs. Kajal was talking to you about the integrity. See what we say, that in the school is a place to learn values. And in the school, if you are using bad word or if you are listening bad word, you are committing a crime. You are committing a crime, and this crime you will not realize today. This crime you will realize later on. The person who is traveling in a train, अगस्त क्रांति राजधानी में उसको सुबह वापी उतरना है, and 8-10 police wala came, they forced him, they treat him like a criminal, they took him outside the railway station on the platform और बाद में train चला गया, उसका क्या हुआ होगा that he knows only, but that all has come due to his habit. When we take that students of Vasisth Vidyalaya are different, they are achievers, please make this point that as a student, make a pledge, make a thing in the mind that I will not, that you will not use any bad word and I will not listen any bad word. Listening the bad word, let somebody saying to XYZ, but when you are also listening, though it may not be related to you, but when you are listening, you are committing a crime. When somebody is using bad word, he or she is committing a crime. So make it a point that either in the bus or in the school or at your home or with the friends, you prove yourself as a very ideal student, you prove yourself as a very proud student, you prove yourself as a very self-disciplined student, you prove yourself as a very good student on which everyone should feel proud. Thank you, all the best.
Cleanliness is to godliness. So today's Wednesday students are Maitri and you. Count your age by friends, not by years. So here is square root for birthday song.